Introducing the 2020 Volvo V60 D3 MOM AT 5-door auto in sleek grey. This estate beauty boasts a 2-litre diesel engine, automatic transmission, and a host of luxurious features, including satellite navigation, ambient lighting, and lane departure warning. With top-notch safety features like multiple airbags and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind. Plus, enjoy the convenience of Bluetooth, power boot close, and more. Rest assured with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and manufacturer-serviced guarantee. Don't miss out. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more details. Drive in style and security with the Volvo V60.